What's up guys, over here, Rubik's Cubit, and as you can see here it says match, make and create. It's got 2 cubes inside, ages 7 plus, 1 to 2 players. Oh, on the back it says here you're supposed to match what's on the card. So basically you have these cards right here, and it has right here, this is easy, and then it's got a medium, and these are hard ones. So like right here it would say the level and whatever the play, whether it's freestanding or well, I guess they're all freestanding. No, actually I found right here it says on table flat, so either way. But I guess most of these are freestanding from what I'm seeing here. Alright, so I mixed up the cards, so as you can see they're not in some special order, and I'm just gonna choose some random card, just totally at random. How about oh, let's just go with just this one, and that one is pretty simple, easy one. A, we got an A. Alright, so I don't know about having the same colors as on the card, but I guess we'll try it out, see what we can do. I don't know, does that count? Like so, like this. Alright, there you have it, there's an A. A bridge? What kind of bridge is that? You can even not even use the cards and make something of your own. It does say create on it, right? Like you can create something like Tetris or something, right? Or do something, build some kind of anything, right? I don't know, I'm just making something up. Anyways, you can just have fun with it. I just thought I'd show you something. You can even make a Rubik's Cube out of all this. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it does say there's 2 Rubik's Cubes. You can make 2 by 3. I'm gonna try to see if I can make a Rubik's Cube out of these. But not sure about solved Rubik's Cube, but at least I'll. Just out of just for the fun of it, let's just make a Rubik's Cube out of this. Just to make yeah, maybe not a solved one. I don't know about a solved one, but at least I'll try to. Alright, there you have it. Something like this. There you have it. Sort of, there you have it, a Rubik's Cube. Made a scrambled Rubik's Cube. But obviously it's not turnable. But yeah, I don't know about having, no, you cannot do such a scramble. Hang on a sec. something that... Alright, there you have it. So there you have it. I made a Rubik's Cube. Alright, so I just thought of something. Check this out. I just built something at random. Yeah. And what is this? Anybody have any ideas what this might be? I don't know, it's not anything. It's just a random something I built. It doesn't mean anything. That doesn't have any name to it or something. No, it's actually a combination of two puzzles. It's Rubik's Cubit elements. It's a bunch of Rubik's of these elements combined into with another puzzle that looks like to be what is this puzzle? Well, this is actually another Rubik's puzzle. So let me just solve it real quick. And this happens to be an X cube. Yeah. Pretty cool, right? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I just thought of combining both of these puzzles together into something to form a huge building or whatever. Anyways guys, I hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.